Hello.
The telecom boom has benefited every single citizen of India. The Confederation of Indian Industries estimates that 1% of India's GDP growth is contributed by this sector.
Mobile അപ്പുറത്തെ പുന്നപ്പുറച്ചെന്ന കടയിൽ വില ഉണ്ടാകുന്ന പനക്കൽ സ്റ്റോപ്പിലും ഒരു കച്ചവടമുണ്ട് അവിടെ വില ഉണ്ടാകുന്ന വില പുന്നപ്പുറയെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഇങ്ങോട്ട് ഓടിച്ചോണ്ട് പോകുന്നു ഇതുള്ളതുകൊണ്ട് അതിൽ നിന്ന് 100-150 കിട്ടും മൊബൈലുള്ളതുകൊണ്ടല്ലേ അത്.
In terms of telecom market growth, two countries that have really led the world are China and India. And about 6 months back, with the net adds increasing over 6 million, India is now the #1 telecom market in the world. It started with the 90s when there were barely one phone per 1,000 people in India, to a figure that's now close to about 25 per 100 people. With 250 million mobile connections, it's one of the most liberalized markets in the world and very fiercely competitive.
मेरा 2 बच्चे आर्मी में, लेटर लिखते थे ऐसे, फिर वो आर्मी में जाता था, फिर 1 महीना 2 महीने के बाद वो बच्चों को मिलता था. अभी तो 5 मिनट में बात हुई, बस खत्म.
We were the smallest company of this sector. We didn't have telecom experience. Today, we are the market leaders in telecom services. We had a outsourcing strategy. We outsource our entire IT, billing, and 60 platforms to IBM.
We're getting benefits from IBM Software Group and talent that's coming in from the software arena. We got products coming out of the Haifa Research Lab that is contributing to our revenue assurance system. We got IBM Research Labs across the world contributing to the architecture that was necessary to provide scale and build capability. Strategic partnership with IBM has allowed us as Bharti Airtel to focus on the customer.
जोधपुर में करीब 75% ऑटो वालों के पास मोबाइल है. मोबाइल से हमारे काफ़ी सुविधाएं मिलती है. कहीं से भी हम स्टैंड पे खड़े रहते हैं तो हमें पैसेंजर हमारे मोबाइल से कांटेक्ट करके हमें अपने घर पे बुला लेते हैं. मोबाइल एक आवश्यक चीज़ हो गई है आम आदमी के लिए.
When we wrote this agreement, we were expecting to touch 50 million subscribers in 10 years. Today, in less than 4 years, Bharti has already crossed 50 million subscribers.
The telecom pricing in India has seen a dramatic downward movement. Call rates have plummeted from about 16 rupees a minute to less than a rupee a minute, which makes it very affordable to use the telecom service.
सबके पास है. जो साइकिल पे ऐसे जा रहा है वो बस एक मोबाइल ले लिया है. वो काम मिट्टी का कर रहा है या पत्थर खोद रहा है या पत्थर बांट रहा है, वो भी मोबाइल है.
Bharti keeps testing us all the time for scale. That puts a good challenge to IBM Research and IBM Software Labs to see that we are able to have an architecture which can scale today 50 million, tomorrow 150 or 200 million.
IBM has made substantial contribution to our success. And moving ahead, the contribution will be significant. We will take this country to the next level of performance and development. The entire society needs to get a taste of this technology. We will lift this society to a far higher standard of living, connectivity, and quality of work life, higher efficiency, higher productivity. We will lead this social revolution of India.
जाए बिन जरे बिरे ढलो करी दिनो